Ever wonder what kitchen gadgets can actually make your cooking game effortless? Today we're diving into 20 slick kitchen tools that'll save you time, boost your prep, and maybe even make you feel like a pro chef. Stick around. You're gonna want to see which ones are worth your counter space. Elevate your culinary creations with a butane torch that delivers a professional finish. The adjustable flame reaches up to 2,500 degrees Fahrenheit, perfect for caramelizing creme brulee, searing steaks, or adding a golden touch to meringue. To use, fill it with standard butane, unlock the safety, adjust the flame to a low setting for delicate work, and ignite. The ergonomic grip ensures steady one-handed operation even during longer tasks. While mastering refilling can feel tricky at first, using a butane canister with a long nozzle simplifies the process and prevents leaks. Save time in the kitchen with a device that peels fruits and vegetables effortlessly. The rotating blade adapts to the shape of potatoes, apples, or zucchinis, quickly removing skins without much waste. Simply center the food on the holder, lower the arm, and start the peeling cycle. It's corded-powered and comes with spare blades tucked in the base. Although it struggles with very thin skins like tomatoes, gently blanching such items beforehand makes peeling smoother and more effective. Host effortlessly with a sleek, rechargeable wine opener designed for speed and style. One button removes both synthetic and natural corks with zero strain, and the foil cutter neatly preps the bottle. To use, position it upright, press down gently, and let the motor do the work. Store the opener on its compact charging base for easy access. Despite being bulkier than manual openers, setting it upright next to wine racks turns it into a functional countertop piece that's always ready to serve. Maximize kitchen space with a sturdy, 360 degrees rotating rack perfect for fruits, vegetables, and pantry essentials. Stack and organize easily thanks to 5 deep and breathable baskets and a durable metal top lid for extra storage. Assemble quickly with the included tools and roll effortlessly on lockable wheels. Though its height might challenge lower cabinets, placing it in a kitchen corner frees up counters and keeps food fresh and visible. Simplify prep with a machine that blends, chops, and processes using a 1400 watts motor and versatile blade system. Choose between 3 speeds to crush ice, knead dough, or chop veggies. Stackable bowls make storage straightforward and minimize fridge clutter. To maintain texture, use short pulses when prepping chunky recipes like salsa. The initial learning curve with multiple attachments can feel overwhelming, but dedicating a few minutes to knowing the parts makes switching between them seamless. Streamline draining tasks with a flexible strainer that clips onto pots and pans, leaving both hands free. Its heat resistance up to 440 degrees Fahrenheit means it can handle boiling water with ease. Attach it securely to the side of the cookware before tilting slightly to drain. Though less effective with tiny grains like quinoa, placing a cheesecloth layer inside ensures even the smallest ingredients are strained without slipping through. Cut with precision using an electric knife set designed for everything from roasts to crafts. The serrated blade glides through meats and bread, while the ergonomic handle minimizes wrist fatigue. Plug in, position gently, and use short sawing motions for clean cuts. Although heavy use can dull the blades over time, careful hand washing and proper storage in the case help preserve their sharpness for years. Prepare pineapples effortlessly with a tool that cores and slices in one swift motion. Center the peeler, twist downward, and extract perfect rings in seconds, leaving the shell intact for creative serving ideas. For best results, chill the pineapple beforehand to firm up the flesh. While small or overripe fruits aren't ideal candidates, focusing on ripe medium-sized pineapples ensures a smooth and satisfying cut every time. Boost your baking with a hand mixer combining 9 speeds and silicone-coated beaters that scrape as they mix. A 240 watts motor tackles thick batters while the electronic sensor automatically adjusts power to maintain consistent mixing speeds. Start mixing at the lowest speed to prevent splattering, gradually increasing as needed. Though heavier than simpler models, storing attachments in the included snap-on case keeps everything organized and easily accessible, making setup and cleanup faster. Enhance home bread baking with a sling that lifts loaves safely in and out of Dutch ovens. Heat resistant up to 500 degrees Fahrenheit, it also doubles as a non-stick cooling mat. Lightly dust the sling with flour before adding dough to prevent sticking. Its use is best suited for loaf-style recipes rather than free-form artisan breads, but rolling it into a tube for storage keeps drawers neat and protects the sling's flexibility. Maximize flavor with a razor-sharp zester that tackles citrus, hard cheeses, and spices effortlessly. Grip the ergonomic handle firmly and use short strokes to extract fine, fragrant shavings. For easy cleanup, tap the grater gently over the plate or cutting board to release clinging bits. Although it's not ideal for large vegetables, pairing it with a larger grater for dual-duty prep covers all your kitchen grating needs without compromising finesse. Organize your freezer with trays that portion soups, sauces, and broths into perfect 1 cup or 2 cup servings. Fill the silicone compartments, pop on the lid, and freeze flat for neat stacking. Flex the tray gently from the bottom to pop out frozen food cubes without hassle. While their size might not suit very cramped freezers, keeping them stacked maximizes shelf space and maintains an orderly freezer. Expand your cooking capabilities with a skillet that fries, roasts and bakes evenly thanks to its 1500 watts heating element. Preheat slowly to allow even temperature distribution before adding food. Foldaway handles and a detachable base make it compact for storage. Although it takes up significant counter space during use, setting it up near an outlet or clearing a section of the counter makes it easy to handle big batch meals. Opening cans becomes effortless with the Cuisinart Deluxe Electric Can Opener. Its precision power cut blade and wide, sturdy base make quick work of even large cans without slipping. Simply lock the can into place and press the lever. It does the rest automatically and stops when finished. While it takes up some counter space, keeping it near your prep area makes it incredibly convenient for daily meals. Ideal for those who value ease and reliability, especially for bigger cooking days. Slice apples into neat 16 wedges in seconds with a sturdy, stainless steel tool. Center the apple, press firmly, and push straight down for uniform pieces. Ideal for pies, salads, or snacking. Sliced apples fit perfectly into compartments, keeping portions organized and ready for quick snacks or lunchboxes. Although it struggles slightly with very small or extra-large apples, selecting medium-sized fruits yields consistent and satisfying results. Restore knives to razor-sharp condition using a 3-stage system for diamond, tungsten, and ceramic honing. Pull blades firmly through each stage to refine and polish the edge. With 3 dedicated slots for coarse sharpening, fine honing, and repairing damaged blades, it handles everything from quick touch-ups to deep restorations. Its non-slip base and ergonomic handle keep it stable and safe during use, ensuring even beginners can sharpen knives with confidence and precision. After sharpening, always rinse and dry your knife thoroughly to remove any leftover metal particles and keep the blade clean and ready for safe use. Open cans smoothly with a heavy-duty manual opener featuring sharp wheels and comfortable, non-slip handles. Secure it on the can's edge, turn slowly, and let the blade cut a clean edge without ragged metal. Although handling larger cans can require a bit more strength, gripping the handles closer to the pivot point increases leverage, making the task easier and safer. Conquer stubborn lids with a 6-in-1 adjustable opener that fits jars, bottles, and cans from 1 to 3 inches diameter. Adjust the clamp to the lid size, grip tightly, and twist with minimal effort. Additionally, it features a can opener, making it a true all-in-one tool. While its broad build might be inconvenient for compact drawers, storing it upright alongside cutting boards or trays keeps it within easy reach without consuming valuable space. The Hutzler Onion Saver is a must-have for keeping your leftover onions fresh. Designed with a secure, airtight seal, it prevents odors from spreading in your fridge while maintaining the onion's freshness. Its compact, durable design fits most onion sizes, and it's easy to clean, making it a convenient storage solution. Say goodbye to wasted onions and unpleasant smells with this simple yet effective tool that keeps your kitchen organized and your produce fresher longer. Bake with precision using stainless steel measuring tools engraved with permanent markings that won't fade. Nest the cups and spoons together and secure them with the included ring for tidy storage. When measuring, use the flat edge of a knife to level dry ingredients for accuracy. Although the narrow spoons might be tricky for reaching into smaller spice jars, transferring spices to wider containers solves the problem and speeds up cooking. These 20 kitchen gadgets are absolute game changers for your cooking hustle. But if you want more, we've got another video loaded with must-have kitchen tools waiting for you. It's brimming with gear that'll make you wonder how you cooked without it.